If you don't trust yourself right now, your decision making, your consistency, your follow through, you are not alone. And it didn't happen overnight. Self-trust slowly built. And it's also broken slowly. Let's talk about how to build it. What losing self-trust looks like. Losing self-trust doesn't mean that you stop trying. It looks like this. Overthinking simple decision. Start something, then stop it. Promising yourself change, then breaking it. Constantly questioning yourself. Over time, your own words stop feeling reliable. And that hurts more than people realize. How self-trust actually breaks. Self-trust breaks every time you ignore your own boundaries. Talk yourself out of what you know you should do. Say tomorrow too many times. Don't keep small promises to yourself. Not because you are weak, but because lives get heavy. And survival moves doesn't leave room for consistency. Why motivation won't fix this? This isn't a motivational problem. You can feel inspired and still not trust yourself. Self-trust isn't built by big promises. It's built by small proof. And proof only comes from action, not from intention. Start with one small promise. The fastest way to rebuild self-trust is this. Make one small promise and keep it. Not a big life promise. Not a dramatic change. Something very simple. 5 minutes focus. One task completely finished. One honest conversation. Every kept promise sends a message. I can rely on myself again. The sad mistakes we make is punishing ourselves about the past. Many people try to build retrust while still punishing themselves for the past failure. That doesn't work. You don't rebuild trust by shame. You rebuild it by patience. The same way you've built trust with someone else slowly, constantly, without punishment. Confidence grows after self-trust. Confidence is not the starting point. Self-trust comes first. Confidence follows. When you start doing what you say you'll do, even in small way, confidence grows naturally. Quietly, without forcing it. If you are feeling like you don't trust yourself right now, hear this. You are not broken. You are not incapable. And you are not too far gone. You just need to start proving yourself slowly that you are reliable again. One promise, one action, one day at a time. Everything you need to build that trust is already in you. If this message helped you, please let me know in the comments. And if you are working and trusting yourself again, please stay connected to It Is In You TV.